In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create double exposure effects in GIMP. This tutorial is perfect for beginners who are eager to explore the creative possibilities of this versatile free software. So let's get started on this artistic journey to blend two images into a single compelling visual. First things first. We need to open up a portrait photo in GIMP. You want to choose a well-lit image with good contrast for best results. Open GIMP, and from the File menu, select Open, and browse to the location where your portrait is saved. Once you have the image displayed on your working canvas, it sets the stage for our creative process. Next, we want to incorporate a second image as a new layer. This will serve as the backdrop or additional element in our double exposure effect. It can be anything from a landscape to an abstract pattern, whatever you envision blending with your portrait. Head back to the File menu, and this time choose Open as Layers. Select your second image, and it will be added on top of the portrait as a new layer. This layered approach is central to creating the double exposure effect, because it allows us to merge and manipulate each image individually. Now, let's use a layer mask to blend the second image inside the subject of our portrait. A layer mask is an essential tool. It lets you hide parts of a layer and reveal the areas you want to bring into focus. To apply a layer mask, right-click on the second image layer in the Layers panel and select Add Layer Mask. Choose White, Full Opacity, and click Add. Using the paintbrush tool set to black, gently paint over the areas of the image you want to blend into the background. If you make a mistake, simply switch to white to bring back areas that you want to keep as part of the blended effect. This technique lets you artistically control where and how the images merge, creating seamless blending between your two photos. To refine our effect, we follow up by adjusting the opacity and colors of our layers. Tailoring the opacity of your top layer can make the double exposure more or less intense. Located in the Layers panel, simply adjust the opacity slider to reach your desired effect, whether it's a subtle blend or a stark overlay. Additionally, you may wish to tweak the colors to enhance the cohesion of the composition. This can be done using the Colors menu. Consider playing with brightness, contrast, or even adding a color gradient to harmonize the two images. That wraps up our tutorial on creating double exposure effects in GIMP. Remember, this artistic technique is all about experimentation and personalization. Feel free to try out different image combinations and adjust settings to your liking. Thanks for following along, and I hope you enjoyed learning something new today. Keep practicing and exploring the creative possibilities, and you'll soon master this intriguing effect.